ICT book. Okay, it's fine. It's still good. No worries. Like I will share my presentation, which is this one, with year 8A. And this first class actually will be like kind of reminding, brain refreshing for year 8A, but 8B, like they are learning first time. And actually, if you are available every Tuesday morning at 10 a.m., like Tuesday, but not Wednesday, 10 a.m., if it's good for everybody, we can like every Tuesday have ICT lesson. Okay. Now, this is my presentation. I hope you can see this. And like our unit is creative communication. In the page 146. And like this is, it starts like this. I took it a picture. I thought some of you didn't get the book. So you can read this text what we are gonna learn, what we are gonna work with in this unit and chapter. In this chapter, as you read it, we will learn some advanced features of HTML, which is hypertext markup language, and CSS, like cascading style sheets. And I will share 2 videos, which we already watched with year 8A, to understand better what is hypertext markup language and what is cascading style sheets and the difference between them. So you will use these features to create a website. I know you are visiting many websites every day, right? Like all of us, like too many websites, even like game websites you are visiting. So how they are making these websites, we are gonna learn basics of them. And your website will have more than one web page. I believe you already know what is web page, what is website. When you visit a website, there are lots of web pages in it. So you will have more than one web page. And you will learn how to create a simple navigation bar using a text editor. We will use like text document or notepad. It depends on what Windows or like what type of computer you use. You will also conduct research and analyze data. This information will then be added to your website. I believe we got some ideas of this, or we already learned with year 8A last week some of this thing. And in the next slide, I will share this presentation with you, don't worry. And if you watch these 2 videos, we are not gonna watch right now, you will understand better what is HTML, hypertext markup language, and what is cascading style sheets. You will understand better the difference between them. All right, guys, I will also add these links to EduPage. I will share with you. No worries. Even I'm recording now this presentation, this like online class. You can watch it on YouTube. I'll share the YouTube link with you. If you miss something, okay? So source code. To check the source code of any web page, we can use. Let me show you even an example. We did last time. So when you go to, do you remember the first website ever? CERN, yeah, exactly. Even like just type here the first website ever and press enter. It's gonna give you the result like the CERN. See, this is the first website made by like Tim Berners-Lee. This guy is actually the father of like World Wide Web, www. So here is the first website link, and this is like first website and like made by CERN. So and these are, as you see, just text here and hypertext. These texts, as you see, it's clickable, right? So that's why we say like this is hypertext. It is hypered and it's clickable. That's why we call like hypertext markup language. So this is the first website, and to see its like source code, you should right click on the website and click page source, or you can click like Control plus U button to see it. I will use Control and U button. So you'll see like title and header, like we are gonna do it our first website by typing this, and body, this is the one of the most important one, and H1 we will learn tags, by the way. This is like put the title. Remember, like World Wide Web, how it looks like here. Look at the first website, World Wide Web. This is like bold and like bigger than other tags because they put it in H1 tag. That's why it's bigger, all right? But the original website of today, the CERN, when you type CERN on Google, and it's like home tab, and this is the like original one. I mean, like the one they are using right now. See, it's like more interactive. And you will see in these two videos, like what is cascading style sheet and even JavaScript to make this type of website. They are too interactive. If you use just HTML, hypertext markup language, you will make a website like this, only this. It's the root of the website, like you know, the main part of the building, like walls and the roof, even you will see in the video. So this is like the original one. When you, but you can still see the source code of this website. Just Control and U button. So there are lots of things, like it's more complicated. To make a website like this, you should know 3 languages, but not, of course, like English, you know, the Czech or something. Like 3 programming languages. What are those? First, HTML. Second, CSS, cascading style sheets, and the last one, the third one, is JavaScript. All right, this is like looking at the source, all code of a website. You can check any website's codes here. So, and we are gonna use like Notepad or text document for now, but these are professional ones, which are like, there are too much, you know, too much application to make a website. This one is free, by the way. If you want to use it, you can download Microsoft Expression Web 4. This is free. You can download and make a website of like by coding, typing some codes. And Adobe Dreamweaver, you should buy this, but it's like one of the example for professional tools. So now, so any questions so far? Let me check. Okay, wait, where is my, okay, admit. Okay, some of you. Okay, admit. Okay, we have.
Freestyle writer, Jesus Christ.
All right, we have many. All right, that's good. So you see me, right? Now. Okay. Do you have any question, by the way? You can ask or you can like chat. Okay, many. So stop. All right. Okay, perfect. Everybody's here. Okay, I will present again my screen. Ah, you can. Okay, stop presenting. So I'm not presenting right now. I think we have 11 people. We have like almost half of us is not here. I invited 20 people, even 22 last, like 23, I think, yeah. 3 more people, but we have only 10 or 11. Okay. All right. I hope like next lesson will be better. Anyway. Okay. Keep presenting your entire screen. Yes. Allow. Okay. Now I'm presenting. I believe you can see my screen, right? Someone say something, please.
No, hello.
You can see my screen, right, Vojta? My computer screen.
Yep.
All right, very good. Okay.
I can see.
You can't see? Okay, let's see.
You have to click on like certain.
Yes, you should click on my like ICT Erdol. Wait, what's going on? So I'm presenting my screen. So you should click like ICT Erdal, your like presentation or something. In the second, I think in this, it's in the second place. When you check all people, you see my screen and you can click on it. Then what you see in the screen? My face?
Yes.
Okay. Then like just click the people on the like upper right. I think it's written 12, like kind of people picture. When you click on there, you'll see like the presentation in the second place, just underneath my name.
Yes.
Okay, click on it and you'll see my screen. I hope. Okay, it's for same everybody. Okay, now?
Yes.
How about now? You can see my screen? Okay, very good. Now we are gonna learn some tags. Tags, please. Tags are here. Like we are gonna learn, as I said, we are gonna learn HTML to build a create website, and HTML use some elements and tags to create this website. These are the basic ones, and please look at it. HTML tags. These like in this bracket. You should use always these brackets for opening tag and closing tag. And you should start with HTML and you should end with HTML too. But don't forget slash for the closing tags. We usually say this is opening tag, this is closing tag, right? And HTML tags identifies the beginning and the end of the page. You should put it. And head tags like gives information about the pages, and the title identifies what page is called. Should be between head tags, by the way. This should be between here, like these tags. And body tags, the text or images, like you want to put text and images in your website, right? So everything should be between these tags, body. And heading, we saw the example in like this website, source code, it's here. Look at this H1. This is the title. Heading, actually it's heading. So a header is like similar to paragraph tag. Using a heading tag will automatically make the text bold and larger font. So we have H1 to H6. Like you don't need to always add like title like this. You can add a little bit smaller one. So you can go until H6, right? So paragraph tags, it's like P identify the start and end of paragraphs. You need to use this one too. And like to make your text like, you know, better decoration, let's say design, we can use bold tag. You know from Microsoft Word what is bold, what is italic, and this is like italic tag and underline, right? Now I will ask you like year 8A already did it in the computer like in IT lab, but please do it in your own computer and share on EduPage like under the homework. I will put it like there is a activity in the page 150. Make something similar, but please change it. Like don't do the same thing. Even I'm gonna show you the example right now on my desktop. So this is my desktop. Like everybody, you can even make a new folder for yourself. You can save everything in your folder, like say student, for example. You can give your name, by the way. So open this folder, it's empty. And now here, start a new text document. But some of your computer could have like notepad, all right? But click text document and name it as like home or like my first website, or what do you think about your website? Like you can name it as, for example, like cars, Minecraft, what type of website you are doing. And then open this. It's like empty notepad. So you need to type here the comments, like the tags. Okay, let me make, by the way, the font a little bit bigger for you to see it better. Example 20. So as we learned, all command should start with HTML tag and you should close it with HTML2. And you need to type everything between these two tags, right? And add a header, it means head, and close the head. Don't forget to close it. And your title needs to be this, between this head, and like title, and close it, title, and write your title here. Sorry?
I already did this.
Yeah, we did it in the classroom ICT lab, but please do it something similar in your own computer because we will keep adding something in this document. So you cannot take this document from IT lab right now. That's why, sorry, you should do it again because we are gonna add something in this document, all right? I'm so sorry. So my first website, or like you can add something else. What's your first like website is about? And here, like open a body tag here because we are gonna add everything here. Body, close it, and sorry, open, close, body tag. And now you should add everything here, either text or like pictures. Picture we will add later, like some links in this website. Like, remember the first website? See, these are all the links. They are clickable. You see that? They are all clickable. So we are gonna do all of these things, and they are called hypertext. That's why it's like, I'm repeating again, this name of this language is hypertext markup language because these are hypertext and they are clickable. So between these two tags, body tags, you can add anything. How about like title? I mean header, like H1, welcome to my first website. And don't forget to close it. Sorry, H1. And you can even add like H2. You don't need to do the same thing in the book like page 150, which I can share with this, like on the edu page. You can get this thing as an example, but you can do it better, I believe. So there is no H2 in here, but I will make it. I hope you will enjoy my website. Enjoy my first website even. And I will close this. This is H2. Okay. Then how about a paragraph? If you want to add a paragraph, you should add like this. And P, sorry, and write something here. Okay, hi guys. This is HTML. I'm trying to build a website here. All right, let's save it. Click save. Okay, but when you save it, see, it still looks like text document. When you start it, it looks like a text document. But you should change it like this txt file. It calls usually like file extensions. Some of us can't see this because we didn't open it. To open it, to make it like visible, you should click view, and we have file name extensions. If you uncheck this, you don't see that. But to see all of this, click view again, which in any folder, open any folder, and click view and file name extensions so you can see it here. Either you can change it here, like delete this txt and type here HTML, it's possible. Or let me leave it txt, open this document and file and save as. Here click all files, instead of like txt, type it HTML and click save. So when you save it, see, it looks like a website. My default browser is Opera, so I can see it like as Opera file. And when I double click on it, I will see these texts, just these ones, in my website. Let's try. So See, this is my title. It's like a, let's remember even you can see it like under click like page source. See, this is my title, first website, and welcome to my first website. It's like H1, and I add another title is in H2, and I add a paragraph, and I type this text. Even let's check it again. So please try to do something similar. Even you can do it better, I believe. You can search on Google like and learn other tags to make and create good and better websites. All right. Okay, let me unshare, and even I will share this like PowerPoint presentation with you on a page, and this video too. Let me. Okay, I will stop presenting. Okay. So, oh, you text many things. Okay, it's fine, but we are still 11 people. All right, guys, any question about this or like about our lessons? Do you know how any other better way we can do it? Nathan?
No.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Any other ideas?
You can call Skype.
Sorry, Evichka?
Maybe we can call on Skype or something.
Skype?
Well, we already did.
I'm not doing Skype.
Mm-hmm. But I think this is better because you can see everybody and like share your screen also. Actually, like Skype, you can do it. Yeah, same thing.
Fine here.
So Lucy doesn't have app. Okay. Yeah, some of us like has some problem with the app and like downloading and installing. But I text everybody. You should have like get Google. What was its name? Hangouts Meet. If you download that app, you can like join the meeting. It's easy actually. It's right. Everybody did it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not hard to use this application, and even I'm recording this screen right now by a screen recording. I'll try to put it on YouTube. Share this. You can watch it again and again and again for every lesson. And how about the next lesson? Can we do it like every Tuesday at 10 a.m.? Is it possible for everybody?
It's possible.
Okay. Then I will share.
It is possible.
Okay, I will share it on page
Yeah.
every Tuesday 10 a.m. All right?
It's possible.
Okay, thank you. And by the way, like if you have the book, if you don't have it, I will share the like picture of the pages. Until the next lesson, please do that activity in page 150, like I just did it, and read these 2 pages for next, like to get ready for the next lesson, like 151. I hope you can. 152, sorry, and 153. If you read these 2 pages until next class, you will get ready because like we will learn how to like draw website frame, you know. What was the name again? Like we are gonna do it our website map. Like what am I gonna put on the right side of the website and like the left side? How about the bottom part? How about the header part? Like am I gonna put like navigation bar? It's like in the top of the screen. Where am I gonna put the picture? So this is like a website map. So we are gonna learn it and we will draw our own website map in the next class. That's why you should read like these 2 pages, 152 and 53. Okay? I will add all of this on EduPage as kind of homework. Like please follow on EduPage. Alright guys? Any questions?
No, sir.
All right, everybody here. Okay.
Mr. David sent you a message on EduPage.
He did. Help the other friends like do until the next class. Like normally I didn't put any code. You didn't put any code, right?
No.
Okay, so no.
No, I just joined it.
Yeah, just click and join. Okay.
Hadi oğlum.
So I will let them know about this, and that's I said already. I'm recording this screen right now, and I'll put it on YouTube. They can listen. They can like see the lesson and do the activity. No problem, actually. Okay. Any questions? And I'm ending the class.
No.
All right, guys. Thank you. See you next time. Tuesday, 10 a.m. All right. Every Tuesday, 10 a.m.
Okay.
All right.
Wednesday,
Good.
8 a.m. Gotcha.
Goodbye, everybody.
Okay.